Days after the Mahagathbandhan unveiled its poll promises, the National Democratic Alliance has hit back with a big ticket manifesto promising jobs, women empowerment, and massive investment in farming and infrastructure. Unveiled in Patna by Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, Union Minister Chirag Paswan, and BJP National President JP Nadda, the NDA manifesto pledges to create over 1 crore new government jobs and empower 1 crore women as Lakpati Didis, women earning more than 1 lakh rupees annually. The alliance says it will provide employment to every youth, conduct a skill census, and establish mega skill centers in every district to make Bihar a global skill hub. Reaching out to women, the NDA has announced financial support of up to 2 lakh rupees under the Mukhyamantri Mahila Rozgar Yojana and a Mission Crorepati program to help women entrepreneurs become millionaires. For farmers, the alliance has promised minimum support price for all crops, a 1 lakh crore rupee investment in agriculture infrastructure, and a new scheme called the Karpuri Thakur Kisan Sanman Nidhi that will give 3,000 rupees a year to farmers. The manifesto also highlights major infrastructure projects, including new greenfield international airports near Patna, Darbhanga, Purnia, and Bhagalpur, 10 new domestic flight routes, and metro services in 4 cities. Under its Panch Amrit guarantee for the poor, the NDA pledges free ration, 125 units of electricity, free medical treatment up to 5 lakh rupees, 50 lakh new houses, pensions for the elderly, and free education from kindergarten to post-graduation. But the opposition's counter-offer is equally ambitious. The Mahagathbandhan, led by the Rashtriya Janata Dal and the Congress, has already released its own manifesto titled Bihar Ka Tejasvi Pran. It promises a government job for one member of every family within 20 days of forming the government. The NDA manifesto also promises to provide rupees 10 lakh financial aid to various economically backward classes, the EBC communities, including Tatma, Nishad, Mallah, Kanojia, Gangota, Bind, Nonia, Teli, among others. This is also the first time that the NDA alliance partners have not released their independent manifesto. This is one joint manifesto that has been released by the NDA alliance together. Well, in a way, the race for Bihar's future has officially begun, with manifesto setting the tone for one of the most fiercely contested elections. Well, in a way, the race for Bihar's future has officially begun, with manifesto setting the tone for one of the most fiercely contested elections in the state's history. This is Neelam Pandey reporting from Patna with Sakiba Khan.